So what do you guys think? S650, 2024. It's coming. We know it's coming. Ford hasn't confirmed any engine choices. Ford hasn't confirmed much of anything other than the fact that there will definitely be a V8 and they have to make it EPA compliant. So what does that mean? EPA compliant. So we know now the 5.0 Coyote right now has 5 liters, puts out 450 horsepower, and it's a relatively clean engine, but they need to make it cleaner. So what can they do? We got to wait and see if they're going to detune it, add electric hybrid assist. Are they going to change the engine? So there's a lot to discuss. There's a lot to come. The one thing we do know is that the EcoBoost will be coming back. The 5.0 will likely be out at launch. And then the 5.2 Predator, which is in the GT500, will likely reappear at some point later in the production cycle. It will definitely not be at launch. They've even said that there's a potential 6.8, 6 point something in the mix, which is supposedly the Windsor 6.8, which is the baby Godzilla, which is off of the 7.3 Godzilla platform, which is a pushrod V8. So that's a possibility, and that has been stated in 2020. Back in 2020, there was it was stated that the 6.8, or excuse me, the 7.3 and the 5.0 Coyote will be in production, likely for the trucks, but also been confirmed in a Mustang derivative. So we're kind of in a holding pattern here to see what happens. I am super happy with the 5.0. I think most of the Mustang base is. For those that turn towards the EcoBoost, are looking for the feel of the Mustang without the super performance end of it. You miss out on the sound and the power and the torque and so many other aspects that the V8 lovers love and really look for. So Ford knows this. Ford knows that their fans, their fan base is looking for a return of the V8 in the S650. What are your thoughts? Do you think that we're going to have a potential pushrod 6.8 or 6 point something? Do you think it'll be a supercharged 6 point something? Do you think they're going to increase the size of the Coyote engine? Do you think that they're going to do hybrid at some point on the Coyote? I know that's a possibility. What do you think at launch they're going to keep the 5.0 and then move towards hybrid down the line? That's what I seem to think. We're hoping that there could be a Boss 429, another Mach 1, and definitely a GT500. We're hoping that all those come back to the lineup. Please comment below what you think. I'm interested to know and hear what the general public feels and Mustang fans. What are you looking for? What would you like? I'm happy with the 5.0. I think most people are. It certainly has the power and the capability, and I do think that it's at its max right now. So I'm curious to see if they're going to do a power bump with hybrid assist, or detune the engine and do hybrid assist, and there's a whole bunch of things that they can do. We do know that there's been leaks of the exterior. The exterior does look nice, at least in the supposed GT body style. There's a few of those floating around the web. I'm not going to post any pictures. I'm sure most of you have seen them. If you're new to Mustang, please poke around. There are plenty of pictures on the web with leaks of the EcoBoost, of the potential GT500, and maybe even a Mach 1 variant. So please comment what you're thinking about engines and what you're hearing. I could be missing something. Maybe some of you out there know more than I do. I certainly have done my research on it. I certainly look into it daily. I want to bring you the latest and the greatest. So if you like what you're hearing on this channel, please subscribe, like, and share the channel. It certainly helps me grow the channel. And moving forward, I would like to do some potential additional modifications to this car. I certainly enjoy it as is, and I certainly enjoy taking it out on rides and cruises, and look to be going to some meets and cruise nights soon. And I'll certainly bring you along and share what other people have on the road, and comments about my car, maybe suggestions about my car. It's a beautiful car. It's very powerful. It's enjoyable. It's a de-stressor for those who have stressful work environments, etc. So thanks again for coming on my journey with me. Stay tuned for more content. I will be pushing out another video this weekend. The weather's supposed to be beautiful here, so I'll try and get you some exterior shots, another interior view. Stay tuned. Thanks again for joining me on